Hey everybody, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today we are doing something a little bit different. We are gonna hopefully turn this thing into a functional kitchen island. See, my kitchen's small and counter space is not exactly ideal. So having an extra 6 foot of counter space would make this kitchen so much more functional, especially when I'm doing canning projects or baking, or just need an extra space to set something. So this is an old TV Hutch. There's like a cabinet on this side with some shelves. This side has some drawers. And it's all in pieces. So this is one piece here, this is another piece, and then this is another piece over here. The top is its own section. So I'm thinking it's going to be easy to take apart. I could be wrong, but...
Mommy, I put scotch and hot water in this cup.
So we're going to try to take all of the pieces and parts apart and turn it into a kitchen island. So I need to go get a drill, I think. I'll have to look and see how this is actually put together, but I might need a drill, I might need a pry bar, a hammer, and some other various tools. So I'm gonna go collect some supplies, get you guys set up on a tripod, and then start working on this hopefully easy project. We'll see. All right, so this is what we have so far. The idea was to, if you remember before, the cabinet was on this side and the drawers were on this side, both facing this way. The idea, because this counter is going to be up against the refrigerator, there's no way to get to this back half. So it seems silly to have the shelves here So what I did was I'm moving the drawers over to this side to face this direction. And I'm gonna do pallets on the back to close it up. And then we took the shelf part, turned it around so it faces into the kitchen area. I'm gonna use pallets to close up the back here. So I have a cabinet on one side and drawers on the other for the dining area. I can put, you know, servingware in there or napkins or whatever else. I just need to cut this part down to the right height. I wanted it about 3 feet high. So I think what I'm gonna do to help me get the right size is I wanna use this piece over here.
Mommy.
And I'm thinking I'm gonna keep the drawer part. So I might cut right underneath this shelf here and attach this top part on top of the drawers there, and that'll give me the perfect height. And then I can just lop this top off and then put this top back on it. And then I think I'm gonna do some peel and stick tiles on the top to help protect it from kitchen stuff. But that's the basic idea of what I'm going for here. So I just need to figure out how I want to cut these pieces down because I don't have a working jigsaw, and that would be ideal for inside the house. A circular saw is kind of messy, and so is a Sawzall, but might have to use a Sawzall. Might just have to. Alrighty guys, so I brought this piece out. This is the one where I'm cutting the drawer section off. I think I'm just gonna use a circular saw and hope for the best. So let's go ahead and measure it out, get it cut, and then we can take it inside. Alrighty guys, this is what I have so far. Nothing is attached yet, so I'm going to be working on that next. We're just going to attach each piece together again. This is going to be the top, and there'll be a shelf here. I'm really happy with how this is turning out. So I'm just going to go ahead and start screwing it all together, and we'll go from there.